Okay, this is to help with 9.3 question number 3. It says, if the sequence is geometric, identify the common ratio. Otherwise write no. So the difference again, arithmetic sequences are an add or subtract pattern, and geometric are like a multiply or divide. But again, with geometric, you normally do R is called the common ratio, and that's what we multiply by. So even if it's dividing, like this one actually looks like it's dividing by some value each time, we really want to figure out what number we are multiplying by. So for this particular example, to figure out if it's geometric, it's kind of hard to tell what number we're multiplying by. Like looking at this, I can't really tell. Sometimes it's easy, like if it was, say, 5, 10, 20, 40, then I can tell I'm multiplying by 2, but I can't tell that in this one. So a trick is you can divide two terms, but divide them in the order of like 4 divided by 10, 1.6 divided by 4, 0.64 divided by 1.6. So I did that on my calculator, divided two consecutive, but again, make sure that you divide them in the order of this one first, 4 divided by 10, 1.6 divided by 4. Right, I think that's kind of confusing. You have to make sure you divide them in that order, kind of the reverse order. Right, and so that tells you that it is because all those are the same, right? R is always the same. You're multiplying each time by 0.0, no, by 0.4, 0.4, and so that is R. So this one is, yes, it's geometric, and R is the thing you multiply by, which is 0.4. And again, you could do it 10 times 0.4, 4 times 0.4, and you see that it does fit the pattern. All right, hope that helps.